Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and in this episode, we're going to talk about why crypto.com coin is blowing up right now and what is expected to happen. And I just found this article, and it's very similar to what I believe. So I'm going to show you their version, and then I'm going to show you my version, and we're going to compare the two, what he thinks and what I think. So it's likely to retrace the support. This was written 2 days ago. So it was likely to retrace the support level at 30.355. That kind of didn't happen. It kind of just bounced around the low 40s. It's a good opportunity to accumulate before 33% upswing. I was buying a lot of this around 36, 37, 38. That's when I was buying most of this. So I already hit that opportunity. Now I was just waiting for it to pump. And it really did start pumping. So the crypto.com token has been trading below the declining trend line for more than 2 months. The recent rejection was due to the presence of this hurdle. Investors can expect CRO token to retrace deep into the 3-day demand zone, extending from 316 to 401. Now that already happened. So the resulting spike in bid orders could be the key to starting an upswing that pushes CRO beyond the declining resistance barrier. Investors can expect the crypto.com token to tag the 0.475 hurdle. Now, this already happened. This is a couple days old. So I'm going to show you what happened. And before I do that, what he's saying is if it hits this, it could end up in the 4.7 or the 5.2. These are the resistances. So here's what's happening. Shout out to this guy because he was very spot on here. Now there's a little resistance right where he said right here. You see there's a right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. So it's got to break through this a little bit. So this is a key area. If it breaks that, there's other key areas. One of them right there, one of them right there, and then one of them right there. Now it's going to flop around, but if this market stays hot, if Bitcoin keeps flying up like it's been doing, we'll take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Boom. Now Bitcoin's got to deal with this resistance here. 43,500. If it could break through that, then everything's going to fly, obviously. So right now we're looking at that, right around 48, mid 47s. But it officially broke out. So what's going to happen, in my opinion, if you look at this chart, it's like perfect. Exactly what we wanted to happen happened. Broke out with a vengeance. And it could very, very easily end up here in a few months. Very easily, which would be 100% gain. So I'm just kind of watching what's going to happen. I may not be buying right here because I want to see with this resistance. But if it dips down again to about 40 cents, you best believe I'm going to be buying more. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And the reasons that this is blowing up is very simple. It's because Bitcoin is, and Bitcoin leads the way. So as long as Bitcoin stays hot, everything else is going to stay hot. And this is a very, very hot coin because if you think about it, Binance coin blew up beyond belief. So why can't CRO? Very simply put, it can. Fortune favors the bold, they say. And you're too late on Binance coin. You might be able to get 100% gain out of it. But this, you could see 1,000% gain. If it ends up where Binance is, you're going to see over 1,000% if it overtakes the market cap and becomes a top 5 coin. Very possible it could. So it's all about doing your own research, seeing if you like it, seeing if you think that CRO coin is going to be good is based upon, is crypto.com going to be a major exchange? They're already sponsoring the NBA. They already own the Staples Center. So it's just a matter of, do you want to put your money into crypto.com, betting on it being the next big exchange? Because this coin's useless if it tanks and nobody uses it. But, they got Matt Damon in the commercials. They can't be doing too bad. So that's all I got to say about this video. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Thank you for watching.